Hello good day viewers. We have learned that both 0 and 1 factorials all equal to 1. But in this tutorial we are going to find their corresponding values logically. Alright, let me use some numbers here. Remember, if you wish to find 3 factorial, for example, it is the same thing as multiplying 3 by 2 by 1. You should multiply them in descending order up to 1. The same thing like 4 factorial is the same thing as 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. Let me take one more. 5 factorial equals 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. Let me stop here. But if you observe, this is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is the same thing as this, right? 4 factorial. So therefore I can express 5 factorial in terms of 4 factorial. 5 factorial equals 5 multiplied by 4 factorial. And from here you can also express 4 factorial in terms of 5 factorial. How? By dividing both sides by 5, right? If you do that, you have 4 factorial to be 5 factorial divided by 5, something like this. And we know that 5 can be written as what? 4 plus 1. So we have 4 factorial to be equal to 4 plus 1 all factorial divided by another 5, which is 4 plus 1. So in general, n factorial is equal to what? N plus 1 factorial divided by n plus 1, right? So if this is the case, what if n equal to 0? Because we wish to find 0 factorial. When n equal to 0, we are going to plug it back into this expression. We have that 0 factorial to the left equal to n plus 1 factorial, which is 0 plus 1 factorial, then divide by 0 plus 1. If you simplify, you have 0 factorial to be equal to 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 factorial divided by 0 plus 1, which is 1. And 1 factorial divided by 1 is still 1 factorial. And hence, 0 factorial is equal to 1 factorial. But we have not obtained the values yet. What if n is equal to 1? When n equal to 1, we substitute 1 factorial to be n plus 1 factorial. That is 1 plus 1 factorial divided by n plus 1, which is 1 plus 1. I have just substituted into this formula, this particular formula, when n equal to 1. Let's simplify. This is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So we have 1 factorial to be 2 factorial divided by 1 plus 1, which is 2. And we know that 2 factorial is 2 times 1. So 1 factorial equal to 2 times 1 to the top. To the bottom we have 2. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. Therefore, 1 factorial equal to 1. And we know that 1 factorial is also equal to 0 factorial from here. So we conclude that both 0 and 1 factorials are all equal to 1. And hence this implies that 0 factorial is equal to 1 as well as 1 factorial, all equal to 1. So we have just proven that 0 factorial equal to 1 as well as 1 factorial equal to 1. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.